One very important thing to note is that this particular file has cost information. So obviously this is confidential to you and you cannot send this file to your customer. Point number two, if you print this file, the only thing that it should print is the information related to customer, which is the quotation part. Let me highlight that zone. So this is the zone which is for customer. Now, how do we set the settings of this particular file such that this is the only area that gets printed? We do that by going to page layout. First, select the area which needs to be set as your print area. Once you have selected that range, go to page layout, print area, and select set print area. Now go and view print preview. You will see it is page 1 of 2. So let's see what is the second page. The second page is terms and conditions. In last quotation template, we had created a page break above terms and conditions because it had multiple number of pages. We don't need it now. So for this particular quotation, we are going to remove that page break by going to page layout, breaks, and remove the page break. In order to do this, before reaching this particular step, you have to go to the cell where the page break was created, which is the first cell in the row from where the page break starts. So I go to that cell, go to page breaks and remove page break. Now when we print preview, you will see only one page and there is no cost information being displayed in this. So if you need to print the quotation, use this method. At the same time, this is going to be useful when you save this file as PDF to be emailed to customer. So the setting of print area applies when you create a PDF file too. So let's create a PDF file, save as. Instead of Excel workbook, we scroll down and select PDF and save, and we'll say okay. Okay, there seems to be one file open, so let me close this. Now when I save this, it is going to save and I'm going to reopen the PDF file which we just made, which is quotation template version 2 PDF. And this is how your customer is going to receive your quotation. Coming back to Excel file, this particular quotation template which has cost detail not only helps you send quotation to your customer, but it also helps you track based on what cost details you had prepared this quote, which supplier you had considered, and what was the gross profit you had estimated for this quote. And this information can be very useful while negotiating the deal with the customer, because you know in this deal you are going to make $690. So let's say, for example, even if you are willing to give away another $100 towards discount, you will still make $590 on a total value of $2,500 price. So this is how you utilize the quotation template with cost details.